A simple circuit is made up of different components. Batteries provide a source of electrical energy. Wires are electrical conductors. They're used to connect the circuit components. There's an output device, such as a bulb or motor. A switch is often used to control the flow of electrical current. It opens and closes the circuit. Here's a circuit consisting of one battery, a bulb, and a switch. When the switch is closed or in the on position, the bulb lights up. How will the brightness of the bulb change if we add another battery in the series? When another battery is added in series, the voltage increases and the bulb glows brighter. So, adding a battery in series increases the brightness of the bulb. How do you think adding another bulb in series will affect the brightness of the bulbs? You'll find out in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.